squad? It's Jamie, the owner and CEO of Glam Event Rental, back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing a review and an unboxing of this new trend that I've been seeing more popular at birthday parties, baby showers, gender reveal parties, and that is the round backdrop. Let's go ahead and get started. Make sure you watch until the end because I will be giving my thoughts on this new trend. Also, I'll be making a part 2 showing how to decorate this round backdrop. So leave a comment giving me your ideas on how I should decorate it, and hit the subscribe button below if you're new to my channel. I will say they packaged this backdrop really well because none of the parts were damaged during shipping. Make sure this part faces in so that it aligns with the holes in the next step. Okay, y'all, I finally got it up. I had to call my husband in here to help me finish zipping it up. I don't know if it's just the one that I ordered or if this is how all of them are, but the material doesn't have that much give to it, and the zipper, like once I got about up here, it was like really hard to zip. It was like really tight. So it took two people, one person to hold the material closed and then the other person to zip it. So that is one possible downside to this. I don't know if maybe it's just because this was the first time that I used it and maybe it'll loosen up over time. But once I do my second video, when I do my part 2, then I can let you guys know if that zipper part gets any easier the second time around. But I do like the fact that it is tight because it did have a little bit of wrinkles, and now like there's absolutely no wrinkles. It's completely smooth. It's like a tight surface here, so it's actually a good thing that it's tight. It's just that it makes it really hard for you to be able to zip it if you're doing this by yourself. It's very pretty. I like the height. This is the 5-foot round backdrop, and they also have like 7-foot round backdrops. And I wasn't sure if I was gonna like this size or not because I wasn't sure if it was gonna be too small, but I actually like it. I ordered these from Miami Event Decor, and I'll put the link in the description box below. Another thing is that it did not come with instructions. I do wish that it came with instructions because I don't know if you guys could tell or not, but I ended up putting the whole thing together and then having to take a portion of it off so that I can get the cover on. Had they had instructions with it, I would have known from the beginning when I was putting it together to put the cover on before I started building the round part. So that's another downside to this, is that it does not come with instructions. But even without the instructions, it was fairly easy for me to figure out how to put it together. And taking it off once I put it all together, like taking the top part off, once I put it together, it wasn't that hard. It wasn't like that big of a deal, and I was able to still get it put together fairly quick. As far as what I really like about it, the color is nice. I do like the material. It feels like it's good quality. The bottom of the base is weighted, so you can have this outside, and I don't think that would be an issue with like the wind or anything like that. So I do like this piece. I am excited about decorating it and seeing what it looks like once it's all jazzed up and stuff. But thank you for watching my video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell so that you can get notifications to let you know the next time I post a video so that you can see that part 2. All right, see y'all in the next video. Bye.